Oh, this is a story about Siyabong, a young boy with goals and ambitions. His plan was to collect the eggs from his home and sell them to the nearest market. He had big plans. He was going to sell his eggs and get chickens. From chickens, he was going to sell the chickens and get goats. From goats to cows. His dream was big. Eventually, his end goal was to have a big farm with a beautiful house, a big yard surrounded by all kinds of animals. His dreams were brighter and great. As he was daydreaming, he slipped on a stone. Siyabonga fell hard on the floor. The eggs scattered everywhere. Oh no, it was a bad scene. Eggs broken and cracked. Siyabonga couldn't sell these eggs anymore. They were wasted. As he was sad and crying, an elderly woman called him over. She was sitting under a tree. She was known for her wisdom in the village. She said, "Come here, my grandchild. It's not the end of the world. You've made a mistake. Don't give up. Try again tomorrow," she said to Siyabonga. Siyabonga was encouraged, went back home with strength and hope to try again tomorrow.